Welcome to e-learning classes of Seth Chodelal Academy RAT. Class 6, Subject Science, Chapter 12. Chapter name is Light, Shadow and Reflection. Children, in previous classes we have discussed about transparent object, translucent object and opaque objects and shadow. Now we are going to start new topic. Topic name is shadow formation in nature. So today we will study about shadow formation in nature. Children, how shadow formation in nature? Shadow formation take place also in nature. The earth and moon also cast their shadow when the lights falls on them. When the moon blocks the sunlight from the sun, a shadow of the moon is cast on the earth. This is called solar eclipse. Similarly, when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, then the moon passes through the shadow of the earth. This is referred to as lunar eclipse. So we can say this phenomenon is also known as lunar eclipse. Now next topic is solar eclipse. Children, what is solar eclipse? When the sun, moon and earth are in a straight line and moon present in center, then moon blocks the light from the sun and the shadow of moon cast on the earth. This phenomenon is also known as solar eclipse. In solar eclipse, the shadow of moon cast on directly on the earth. So the sunlight is absent for some time on the earth. This is called solar eclipse. Now next topic is lunar eclipse. Children, what is lunar eclipse? When sun, earth and moon are in a straight line, in this condition earth present in center. So we can say earth present between sun and moon. In this condition, earth blocks the sunlight on the moon. So the shadow of earth cast on moon. This condition is called lunar eclipse. When earth cover total moon, then this condition is called total lunar eclipse. In some time earth cover partially to moon, then this condition is called partially lunar eclipse. Now new topic is reflection of light. Children, what is reflection of light? When we throw a ball on a wall, it bounces off in different direction. Similarly, when sunlight falls on the surface, the light also bounces off in different direction. This phenomenon is called reflection of light. Children, you can see easily reflection of light in this diagram. When the sunlight falls on any surface, it bounces off in different direction. This is called reflection of light. Thank you. Now next topic is Usage of plane mirror. There are many uses of plane mirror, like as looking glass, to make kaleidoscopes, to make periscope, and to make box type solar cookers. Children, we can cook the food without any pollution in the solar cookers. So solar cookers are very useful for us. Thank you.